Given the following functions, find each. So we have f of x as x squared plus 5x plus 4, and g of x as x plus 4. And we want to find f plus g of x, f minus g of x, and g minus f of x. So f plus g of x, that's just telling me to take the function f of x plus the function g of x. So I just want to add these two functions together. So by definition, f of x is x squared plus 5x plus 4, and g of x is the function x plus 4. Now, I put parentheses around each of the function's definitions because if there happened to be a minus in front of one of those, that is a good reminder to tell me to distribute that negative into each of the terms. However, since there is no constant multipliers outside of these parentheses, they're not really necessary. So I can really go through and just combine like terms at this point. And that would give me x squared, because there's no like terms with the x squared. But I do have a 5x and an x. Those are like terms and will combine into 6x. Then 4 and 4 combine into 8. F minus g of x. This is asking me to take the function f of x minus g of x. So I have x squared plus 5x plus 4 minus g of x, which is x plus 4. Almost wrote minus there. Now, the negative has to distribute into this set of parentheses. So in effect, this will end up being negative x minus 4. So we want to be careful there and make sure we take that into account. So the next step I'm going to do is combine like terms. Oh, sorry, I'm going to distribute that negative and then combine like terms. So x squared plus 5x plus 4 minus x minus 4, and now I will combine like terms. So x squared is by itself. I have a 5x and a minus x. Those are like terms which will combine to positive 4x. Then I have positive 4 and negative 4, which add up to 0, so I can just leave that off. G minus f of x. This reverses the order of things. And you might think that that doesn't make an effect, but let's see if it does. So it would be asking us to take the function g of x minus the function f of x this time. So g of x comes first. So I have the x plus 4 and then minus the function x squared plus 5x plus 4. The reason this does affect the answer is because now this negative is going to distribute into these terms rather than the x minus 4 as in the previous one. So what I will do is firstly go through and distribute the negative. So x plus 4 minus x squared minus 5x minus 4, and then combine like terms. So I have a negative x squared, and there's no like terms with that one, but I do have an x and a 5x, oh, well, negative 5x, and that will combine into negative 4x. Then I have a 4 and a minus 4, those will cancel out to 0. So we get something very similar to the previous result, but not exactly the same.